Hi, I'm Franz, and I'll show you today how to create the moving text behind the object in VideoPad. This is our image. Let's drag and drop it on the timeline. And I would like to do the text scrolling from left to right and to pass behind this wheel, for example. Okay, let's create text. I'm choosing scrolling left to right. And the text will be, for example, Dubai, because this picture is from Dubai. And let it be yellow. And let us move it a little bit down. Size is okay. Okay. Let's see now. Firstly, it's scrolling too fast. What I will change clip speed. Let's do it not 100, but for example, like 20%. Everything will be 5 times slower. We have to do the length of our background the same. Okay. Now it's better. Okay, and we have to have this wheel in front of the text. So let us one more time add our picture to timeline and put it on the top of our text. Now I clicked on our image, choose effect, and let's add firstly the mask. And I have to move the edges of this rectangle such a way that our wheel to be inside it. Okay? Let's do it like full screen to be easier. Left click of your mouse and holding, moving the dot, releasing the mouse. Okay. And I'll change mask outside and we'll add the effect transparency. And change the opacity to 0%. And now let us see. I think it works. Maybe let's do it a little bit slower. So change clip speed until, for example, 5%. Change the duration of both images until the duration of the clip. You see the text is passing behind this wheel. That's it. Thank you for staying with me and hope to see you soon. Bye.